Drafting your first cause and effect essay. Hello, learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of academic writing. We're focusing on cause and effect essays. Specifically, we'll uncover the secrets behind drafting an effective essay, emphasizing content and organization. Let's get started. The first draft is all about getting your ideas onto paper. It's not about perfection. Think of it as laying the foundation. Your aim is to capture your main ideas, organize them in a logical manner, ensure there's a clear connection between causes and effects. 1. Topic selection. Your essay should address a clear cause and its effect. For example, the impact of social media on mental health. 2. Thesis statement. This is your essay's backbone. It succinctly states the main cause and its effect. E.g., excessive social media use has led to increased levels of anxiety among teenagers. 3. Supporting details. Back up your claims. Use statistics, expert quotes, or real-life examples. A well-organized essay has a clear flow. Here's a simple structure to follow. 1. Introduction. Introduce your topic and end with your thesis statement. 2. Body paragraphs. Start with a topic sentence, followed by supporting details. 3. Cause paragraphs. Discuss the cause in depth. 4. Effect paragraphs. Explore the effect in detail. 5. Transition sentences. Use transition words like because, as a result, and therefore, to ensure a smooth flow. 6. Conclusion. Summarize the main points and restate your thesis in a new light. 1. Free write. Let your ideas flow without worrying about grammar or structure. 2. Stay on topic. Keep referring back to your thesis to ensure you're on track. 3. Seek feedback. Having a peer or teacher review can offer a fresh perspective. There you have it. Drafting a cause and effect essay might seem daunting at first, but with focus on content and organization, it becomes a lot simpler. Remember, the first draft is just the beginning. So, pour your ideas out and refine later. We hope this video has illuminated the path for you. Happy writing!